How to make money on Outlier.ea. What if you could boost your revenue by spotting hidden opportunities and avoiding costly mistakes automatically? Outlier.ea helps businesses turn data into dollars by identifying critical trends and anomalies in real time. Learn how you can start earning more with less effort by leveraging the power of EA. Don't miss out on the chance to grow your profits. Read our guide now. So hi guys and welcome in this video. I'll show you how you can earn money on Outlier.ea. So all you have to do is open your browser and dive into Outlier.ea. So this is the homepage. As you can see, we have here in the first ship the next generation of EA with your expertise. We have few opportunities, get paid training cutting edge EA on your own schedule here. We have here 40,000 experts. We have 100 million is paid out, and we have 3.4 million assignment. So if you want to sign up, all you have to do is click over login, and then you click over sign up. If you already have an account, you write your email address, then you write your password, and you log in and you find your account. But if you want to sign up, all you have to do is click over sign up, and then you write your personal information and you get started with Outlier.ea. And you write your personal information and you get started with Outlier.ea. So if we come back to the homepage, here we have also here view opportunities. We have various things like here. If we scroll down, we have generalist, history, math, coding, chemistry, data science, law, and 3 other expert domains. I will show you. So here we have our EA trainers come from all backgrounds and have expertise in everything from organic chemistry to creative writing, as you can see. And let's come back to the top here and we click over few opportunities to see how much domain we have. So as you can see, we have here 104 jobs. We have coders here, advanced coders, EA trainers, we have advanced coders, EA trainers. So you choose the one you want and you get started to earn money with it. So to make money using Outlier.ea, businesses can harness the platform's powerful EA-driven insights to identify hidden opportunities, optimize operations, prevent losses, and improve decision making. First, you have by analyzing sales trends and customer behavior, Outlier.ea can uncover emerging opportunities such as identifying which products or services are gaining popularity or which customer segments are most profitable, enabling targeted marketing and sales efforts. Additionally, the platform helps optimize operation by detecting anomalies in cost data or inefficiencies in supply chains, leading to cost reduction and improved profit margins. Inventory management also benefits, as demand patterns can be analyzed to maintain optimal stock levels, avoiding the costs associated with overstocking or stockouts. Furthermore, Outlier.ea aids in preventing losses by identifying unusual transactions that might indicate fraud and spotting early signs of customer churn, allowing businesses to take proactive measures to return customers and maintain revenue. Finally, the insights provided by Outlier.ea support data-driven decision-making, ensuring that businesses' strategies are informed by accurate, real-time data, ultimately leading to more effective and profitable outcomes. So let's come back to the homepage to know more information about this Outlier.ea and how it works. Here we have here, if you scroll down, share your expertise and get paid working where and when you want. So as you can see, this is the homepage, how it looks. And we have here show your knowledge, connect with fellow experts, get paid on your terms. About share your knowledge, everyone's an expert at something. Share your expertise and help make EA more human. And about the second one, join our community to work alongside like-minded experts in your domain. Then we have the last one, earn competitive pay while enjoying the flexibility to work where and when you want. And if you scroll down, I mentioned this one before. and this is how it works. We have general C, math, chemistry, law, and other domains. Then we have here building grades. EA is a craft. EA training is never boring. Create your account and try a simple task in your area of expertise. You have reading and drinking, upper right. You have your multi-modal, so you can just read this information as you can see. About reading and drinking, we have reading and ranking assignments as contributors to identify the best model response out of two or more options until the content is high quality enough to be accepted in a review process. Contributors may also be asked to testify their selection in relation to specific criteria or factors. Then we have open right. With an open right assignment, experts provide a starting point or a specific context for an EA model to expand upon. And you can just read it. We have mutual model here. And then we have EA trainer is never boring. Create your account and try a simple task in your area of expertise. If you have helping develop safe and beneficial EA across all disciplines. We have a travel allow for comment of Nicole Johnson, then we have Wysowski, Gabriel Byrne, and other things. Then we have here some things that will help you guys about the first one. Outlier. So what is Outlier? Outlier is a platform that connects subject matter experts to help build the world's most advanced generative EA. You will work on a variety of projects from generating training data in your discipline to advance these models to evaluating performance of models. So how you can get started here. So to get started, all you have to do, what does the onboarding process look like? So you read this one, will get paid for the onboarding process. How long does the onboarding take? What is the purpose of other onboardings? And then we have your qualification also. You can just read it more distant about qualification. What qualification do I need? And other information. Also we have payments. How much will I be paid? How well paid are these opportunities to earn money? Then we have your hours also. How much hours should I expect to work? Can I do this work in addition to another part-time or full-time opportunity? How long will these opportunities? And then other information about this website, you can just read it and get started. So making money on Outlier.ea involves participating in projects that help train and refine EA models, contribute work as independent contractors, and can choose how many hours they want to work each week, making it flexible for different schedule. Pay is competitive and is based on the complexity of the task, your qualification, your performance. Payment is typically made weekly via PayPal or other methods. Additionally, some projects may offer rewards for complex onboarding programs or for exceptional performance, which can increase earnings. So as you can see, that's how it works with Outlier.ea. So you can just get started and earn money on Outlier.ea by doing what you love and get started. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video.